It's 8, but Sir's not here yet. 𝓔𝓷𝓰𝓵𝓲𝓼𝓱 𝓜𝓮𝓭𝓲𝓾𝓿. Um, mm. No. No. No, Papa, I know. Soon, Doc said anything.
Can you all hear me?
Sorry.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now? Now?
I'm out.
Now? Check test. Check one test. Okay, now, right. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Say it loudly. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
right. And Elena, did you watch the red moon yesterday?
Yes, sir.
How was it?
It was nice.
Nice. Is it a red color?
A bit red color.
No, it's red color. So in here, in our area, it's not like a red. I don't know why it is that, but in some areas it shows like red color, no?
I think, sir, today it's going to be more than yesterday red.
Today is here is heavy raining around here. Heavy raining now. That's why the late to start the class yesterday.
Everybody says yesterday was not the real day. Today is a real day.
Really? Who others? So did you watch that?
Our science and history teacher told.
Not all about that, right? So what about the others? Did you watch the red moon? No.
Yes, sir.
The Elena, I think you live in Chilau, no?
Bit past Chilau.
Where are you?
හරියටම Chilau වල නෙමෙයි.
Where is the place exactly?
ආනවිලුන්දාව.
I don't know that. But I went to Chilau last Saturday. There was a hotel called its name Anantaya. Do you know that? I went for that
Yes.
hotel. Yeah, I went for that hotel last Saturday, right? And yeah, and Netum is he live in Thangal area, no?
Yes, sir.
I think yeah. We know there was a bad since happened the bus accident. I think most of them were live at the Thangal, no?
Sir. Yes, sir. The team who was there, sir, belongs to the Tangol City Council.
Yeah, we know that, right? It is they all work there together with the same place, right? It was an issue, right? Okay. Uh, okay. So now I didn't have a time to look your papers, but anyway, I will prepare those and I will recheck and give it to you most probably next week. I'll try. And we can start the third term now. Third term. I guess we have covered all the lesson of the second term. I think you all understand everything. Only 2-3 students in this class, they told me they can't understand some parts in the paper because they told they joined the class lately and recently they had some issue. But other than other students, I think they did the paper well. Okay. So now, Hiroshi, so Hansa, Hyansa, alright. Okay. It is, I think you missed the class in the last month, no? You must in the Beruna. It's okay, no problem. Right. So now we can start the third term. Third term. Right. Third term 1. What is the first lesson in the third term? Can you tell me someone? Can you tell me someone? What is the first lesson in a third term first lesson? Have we discussed that algebraic symbols one?
It's algebraic symbols, sir.
Okay, so we can write the topic. So please switch on your cameras if it's possible. Please switch on your cameras. I wanted to see your beautiful faces as I mentioned earlier, right? Teuchan, why did you miss the class last 2 weeks?
ලෙඩ වෙලා හිටියේ සර්.
Stop bearing my problem.
Okay, right. Write the topic. Algebraic symbols. This is the lesson which its name algebraic symbols. Okay, so Bomit. Bomit. Bomit, I can't hear you. Bomit, tell me, how many days in a week? I can't hear you. Elena, can you tell me how many days in a week?
7 days, sir.
7 days. You know that exactly it has value. It's 7. Right. And you should tell me how many fingers in our hand? How many fingers in our hand? Huh?
5.
Yeah, in a one hand we know it has 5 fingers. The altogether both hands we have 10 fingers.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. And Ishara, tell me How many students in your class? School?
48.
48 students in your class. Well done. Yeah. And Teujan, tell me, how many trees at your home? At your garden? How many trees?
4.
Just only 4 trees at your home.
Yeah.
And tell me, Bomit, not Bomit, Netum, tell me, how many trees at your garden?
About 20, I think, sir. 25.
About 25. You can't say exact number. Just you tell
Yes,
like 20, around 20, 25. Okay. And Elida, tell me, how many trees at your home?
I can't say sir, because there are too many trees in our garden.
Yes, your garden, there are so many, too many trees. That means you can't say exact number. But when I ask in how many fingers in your hand, you know. It has only 5. At the both hands, we know it has only 10. How many days in the month, you know it is 30. We can say proper number like. But when I'm asking something like, words like, how many trees at your garden? So I can't say exact number because so many trees in our garden. නේ මට හරි උත්තරයක් කියන්න බෑ sir. ගොඩක් ගස් අපේ වත්තේ තියෙනවා. garden එකේ තියෙනවා. Really not all like that. And also when I asking this question about from the Netum also said he also don't know exact value. He also said something like 20. No sir, just like 25, right? That means we don't have the real number. Because the thing is, those things we call unknown. Because why? We can't say the proper value, exact value for that. Those are we call unknown things, right? So, Ishara, how many sands in your garden? Wow.
1,006,000.
Yeah, more than 5 million. No, we don't know that, right? Right? And how many stars in the sky?
You can't imagine that.
Uncountable.
Yeah, it's also uncountable. Something there uncountable. And also some can be countable, but we do. And Madhawa, again, I'm going to ask from you. Right. I think you all have Teujan especially. Teujan, do you use the train?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. How many people at the train when you are going there somewhere?
So many people.
So many of them, no? We can't count that, right? So that's kind of thing. If something we can't say a proper value, Pute, that kind of things we call unknowns.
Excuse me, sir.
Unknown එකක් කියන්නේ. Huh?
The railway and the railway station is next to our house, but I have never gone in the train.
So why?
I have no idea.
Your age, just your 11. No, I think your age is 11.
Yeah.
That means you
It's
didn't
like
use
this.
the training.
No.
I
And
have
who else in this class never used the train? Is anyone?
Ishar.
No? Ishar, you also lose.
No, sir.
Hi. It's a very funny trip, no, to go in the train, right? I can remember one of the most beautiful railway track, a railway trip I have gone. It is Alla. Now it is famous Alla.
Sir,
But
have you gone to Arukuname පාරම එහෙම ගිහින් තියෙනවද?
yes. 𝓤𝓚. Yes, I have visited that place. Not, yeah, not the famous like this Pute. 15 or 20 years ago I went. At that time it is not a very famous, but now it is very famous. And that moment there are not huge people around that bridge. But now when you are going to there are so many people around. There are very crowded places now. But at that time it's a very calm place and a beautiful place actually. But now to visit, to see no peoples, no buildings at that moment, only the environment and the just like the bridge. So beautiful. So I so lucky. My I so lucky to visit that place at that moment. But now when we are going to the sea, that kind of night, the place we know so many people around, no calm surrounding, and very crowd, very rush area. Ne, ඒක දැන් ඉස්සර මාරු මං ආසයි ඒ කාලෙට. Right. කොමලන්ට මෙතන 9 match බලලා තියෙන අය අර පාර්ලිමේන්ට ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන අය no one? Oh. Okay. So අපි trip එකක් organize කරලා අපි we can organize a trip, not the grade 6 when you grow up 10 grade 11, so we can arrange a trip. Then we can visit this kind of places. Okay, so write this star with this star mark. Right. If we cannot express something using a number which constant value is unknown. Is defined as a unknown. If we cannot express using a number, if we cannot express something using a number, which constant value is not known, right? අපි නියත අගයක් දන්නේ නැත්තම්, අපි හරියට ඒකේ දන්නේ නැත්තම්, we call it as unknown.
Finished writing, sir.
Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can write few examples for those. What, Selena, you asked? I can't understand that part.
I have finished my work, sir.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Me. Bomet.
Yeah?
He at another place.
Huh?
That's why I asked what he's looking at. He is looking at another place. Bomet.
Yeah, Bomet is, he used a camera and I think another a TV to watch the other class, and also the camera, it's on the right side. Neither Bomit. Yeah, that's the thing. He used to TV to watch the class and also the camera on other side. That's the issue. Bomit, where from you? Your mic is not mute. It's not mute, but it's not work, I guess. Okay, we know is an unknown things we call that's like kind of things as a unknown, right? Because if you not non thing something well, and also we can't express something using number, such we identified as unknown, right? So now we are going to learn about the known things. You can write down this. In mathematics, a constant value which known that is a non-terms. That is a non-term. So you can write example for those as well. Number of days in a week. And then we can write number of milliliters in 1 liter. And we can write another one which number of students in a class. Likewise, we can get some idea about this, right? So you can note it down. Number of days in a
I have finished my work, sir.
I
okay.
have finished my work, sir.
Hmm.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Can I show you something?
Yes, sure. Where are you? I can't see. All right. Wait. It's needed to watch everyone. Ah, it's your puppy.
Yes, sir.
What's her name?
Nash. He's a boy.
What? A boy.
Nash. Yes, sir.
Nash. Nash. Okay. What's? We can't see he properly. Can you show it up? All right. He, what's right? What's the breed of him? Right, like Shih Tzu, you know? Yeah, Shih-Tzu. Right. ඔයක චූටි වුණාට හරි නපුරුයි නේද? සරයි නේද?
Yes, sir.
I know. චූටි වුණාට හරි
But
සරයි.
he sometimes gets a little bit jealous, sir.
ඔව්. ඌ හොර සරයි මන් දන්නවා. I know. මේ
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
we also have a puppy.
You also have. Okay. So now we learn about non-terms and unknown terms. Ishara, tell me about the non-terms. What do you mean of the non-terms?
In mathematics, we know how there was constant value.
Yeah, if we know something in a number, right? That means we know the constant's value. It doesn't have something like that. Mean now, if I ask some question, how many fingers in your hand? If I ask that question by 10 people, so someone is telling 5, someone is telling 2, someone telling is 3. It can't be no. It's everyone is says 5. Everyone is says 5. So that is why we call it as constant value. Right? Constant value. They're like this. So in your class, I picked the 5 students. Our class එකේ මම ළමයි 5 දෙනෙක් අරගෙන I'm asking from them how many students in a class. Everyone said 48. Everyone says 48, right? It means that value is not changed, right? If the value is not changed, that means that kind of things we call constant value. If the value is not changed, that kind of value we know well it is as a constant value. So if something has a constant value, we call as a known term. But if it's something like has an unknown term, that means we don't know that non-term well, right? We don't know that time well, so value well. So kind of things it can be have a different value, right? So that kind of things we call unknown terms. In unknown terms, to write in mathematics, we use algebraic terms. We use algebraic terms. Algebraic terms mean puthe just like a simple letters. In simple letters are we used to define, write the algebraic terms, right? Algebraic symbols. These are the algebraic symbols. You can see examples A, B, X, Y, T, N. Likewise, we can write the algebraic symbols. These are we call in mathematics algebraic symbols. So, if something we don't know, that means if there has an unknown term, if there is something like unknown, right, kind of thing to define, to write, we use what? Algebraic terms or algebraic symbols. Likewise, look at this. Likewise, right? We can write number of we can write like this.
Okay. Queen.
The number of trees in our garden is n, x. That means we don't know that exact value. So there we can use some kind of algebraic terms. Don't write anything. Look at the board. Don't write anything. Look at the board, everyone. So then we can write something like this. Number of sands sand in our garden is y, likewise. And n number of people at the train, sorry, in the train. So likewise, we can use some kind of simple letters. Those we call what? Algebraic terms. Those are the we call what? Algebraic terms. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes, sir.
in the top with the star mark. The star mark. In mathematics, use simple letters of the English to express unknown terms. Those we call as algebraic symbols. Then you can write with the examples and all the things. Clear the Putty? If something you can't understand, ask from me.
I finish my work. Bye. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.
So you also can write two examples for this. Additional two examples. I have written three now. You also can write another two additional examples for this. If you're finished, tell me, Pute.
I have finished my work. I have finished my work, sir.
Right, okay. Tell me your answers. Who can start this?
Sharan,
Ishara. Yeah, Ishara, tell me what's your answer, Pute?
number of houses in Sri Lanka is X.
And
Number of houses in Sri Lanka is X.
yeah, number of houses in Sri Lanka is X. Well done. And Netum?
Number of seawater in the entire ocean is X.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, okay. Elena?
Number of stars in the sky is A.
Yeah, okay. Hiroshi?
Number of times you took a breath yesterday.
Yeah, we wrote it earlier, but anyway, good, it is, right. Wait, I just wanted to know, Hiroshi, uh, all right. You just like same Vishnu. I thought you are the Vishnu, right? Okay. And Bomit, what's your answer? Your mic is not working now. Okay, anyway, right. Who? Teujan, tell me your answer.
Number of countries in Earth.
Number of countries, normally we can count it. I know it's there. It has exact value, Puti. Right? Number of villages in the world is X. Likewise, we can say because we know number the countries as we know it's countable. Right. He answer. What's your answer?
Number of money in a bank is E.
Number of money. The banks normally maintain the amount that exact value. It's okay. Right. So Hansa. So Hansa, what do you answer, Putte? Okay. So your most of answers are correct, but some answers are like he answered all number of monies in a bank, right? That kind of things we know day by day. It's the value is changing. Why? The when the banks take some deposit, money will collect, and also banks will give the loans to the people. The money will reduce. Likewise, that kind of things we know. day by day value is changed, right? Value is changed. So that kind of change in things we call variable. As like this, right? So how many people in a bus? The bus, we know it can be countable, but sometimes we know that the someday it has less number of people in the bus, but someday it's a crowded bus. Someday just only the people only for the seats, right? We know the day by day, the situation by situation, we know some kind of things are values are changed. That means it doesn't have a constant value. We earlier we don't know the constant value. Here is it doesn't have the constant value. That means it has a value, but value will change. So that kind of things we call variables. In a variable also, in a mathematics, to represent a variable, it also we use algebraic symbols. Number of money at the bank is X, right? Number of people work in a road is Y, right? Kind of things, right? It can be count. We can't be take the certain value for that. It can be changed like that. So kind of things we call use what algebraic terms to represent the variables as well. Clear? Clear you all? තේරුණාද පුතේ?
Yes,
Say
sir.
something.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yes. Try the subtopic here. Variable.
Yes, sir.
Variable. The variables, right? You can say
I have finished my work.
Kute, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we know things like if the variables are there, we know we call what? Variables, we use what? Algebraic symbols to represent kind of things, right? Okay, so now, take the book, exercise book, and turn the page 94. Page 94. I think you all have the textbook. Do you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
In 94, there is exercise 18.2. You can see you don't need to write the question. Right? The question is mentioned. Write down whether each of following is a constant value or variable. Right? You need to identify those are constants or variable. Right? So how can you do that one? So what? Just write the Roman number and write in front constant or variable only. So I will give only 4 minutes to finish this all. Just take the time. Now time has started. Finish it.
Excuse me,
We'll
sir.
see who will going to finish this quickly.
Excuse me, sir. Which page?
94.
In part 1 or part 2? No?
That means no. 18.2. 18.2. Exercise 18.2.
Thank you.
Sir, I have finished my work.
එලිලා තමයි ඉස්සරහම කරේ නේද? We'll see others.
Sir, I have finished the work. Sir, I have the. Sir, is finished. Sir, sir,
Yeah.
sir is finished.
Huh?
Sir, I have finished the work, sir.
You also been. I think Ishara today it has some issue with your mic. It's not clear. Earlier it's very clear one you have. Today it's not clear.
I think that is a problem of Bluetooth, sir.
Ah, right. How about my mic? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Better than the last week or today? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got a new one. Look at this is the new one. I have a small mic.
Sir, now it is okay.
Huh?
Now my voice is clear.
Ah, now it's clear.
I changed the Bluetooth.
𝓔𝓷𝓰𝓵 is finished, sir. Sir? Sir?
Yes. Yeah?
𝓔𝓷𝓰 is finished, sir.
I heard that. Wait. Other video.
I'm also finished, sir.
Okay, I guess the time is enough. So can we check the answers now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who going to tell the answers, right? I guess
Sir.
Hiroshi.
Sir.
Hiroshi, can you say the answers now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what the first one. The number of players in a netball team is a constant or variable?
Constant.
Yeah, we know in a netball team. Yeah, how many players have the netball team? I don't know that exactly number. Someone tell me. I think in this class some students are playing netball. Who is playing the netball? Ishara, are you playing netball?
No.
I heard that one day you told me you do play the netball.
No.
No?
Badminton. Tennis.
You just play the
Cricket.
badminton only. Right. Hirish, Netum, do you?
No, sir.
So you can't play the netball, no? Why you are not playing the netball? Teujan?
No, sir.
Why?
I don't like it.
Don't like. So what's the
Don't
reason?
like.
Bomit, what about you? No. The thing is, Buddha, normally the netball is playing play girls, right? Not the boys. But sometime we saw the mix with boys and girls are playing, but normally we know it's a girls game, right? Girls game. Just like rugby, normally the mostly play by the boys, no? But nowadays I have seen some girls also playing, but it's a game just naturally played by girls netball, right? Okay, so the first one is constant, right? Second one, the number of bananas in a first comb of a cluster of banana. What do you think about? It can be a variable or constant. Ishara?
Variable.
Yeah, it's depend on the size of the cluster of the banana, right? You know, some banana cluster it has a big one, some smaller one, right? It's a different on the size of that, so we don't know exact value about that. It is not a constant value. Surely we know that well. So it's a variable. And then the next question I'm going to ask from Nethun. Nethun, tell me the time taken for a jet to travel from 𝓷𝓰𝓵𝓲𝓼𝓱 International Airport to New Delhi Airport. What about thing is just like a constant or variable? Nethun, you're on mute, so I can't hear anything. You're not audible. Yeah, yes. He answer. Tell me what's the answer for that.
Variable.
So why you are telling that variable? It's different on the situation, no? Sometimes it can be delayed
Yeah,
to
traffic.
yeah, and weather condition and some kind of problems, technical issues can be happen. So time can be variable. So that means it's a variable. The number of sides of the square. Ishara, the number of sides of the square. Is it variable? No?
No, constant. Huh?
Yeah, it's constant. It can't be variable. So because why? We know it has 4 sides. The number of centimeters in a meter. So tell me, Elena, it's about the number of centimeters in a meter. Elena, so I can't hear you. She left the class.
Sorry, sir.
I just need the answer for the 5th one.
Fifth one.
Yeah,
Constant.
it's a constant. How many centimeters in a meter? Don't know. It's 100 centimeters. Right. The number of limes in a 1 kilograms of the limes. I just want the answer from 𝓷𝓰. So 𝓷𝓰.
Variable, sir.
So yeah, it's depend on the size of the limes. If they have a big limes, we know it will take 2-3 limes to fill the 1 kilogram. But it has small limes, it will take more limes to fill a 1 kilogram. We know that well. Okay. The distance traveled by the vehicle on a 1 liter of petrol. So Nithum, what about that?
I think so. It is variable because of the it can vary from the speed of the car or something like that, sir.
Yes, yes. It's the speed and also the condition or the road condition and the how the people travel in the vehicle. So those kind of things are happen. So that means it's a variable. And the time taken by students to travel from home to school, it is variable. No, which we know that it depends on the situation. If they have a huge traffic, we know it will take more time. And if you are using
Yes, sir.
some public transport, sometimes it can be delayed. And if you are using personal vehicle or something private transportation, we know it can be a take less time to the travel to home. So it is variable. Well done. And the daily rainfall, it also variable. Yeah, today is heavy rain day for us, right? But some areas, is it raining in your area now?
No, sir.
No, not up. No, that means about Netum. What about you?
No, sir.
No, but in our area, it's heavy rain today. Okay, so now the price of the 1 pound of the gold in rupees. Say the answer, Hiroshi. The price of the 1 pound of the gold in rupees.
Variable.
Yeah, it's a variable. We know it's depend on the prices of the market, right? It's a depend on the demand and supply in the market. So sometimes it's price up. Sometimes the price is decrease. So it depend on the market, right? So okay. Now the number of days in a year. Sahansa, number of days in the year. So Hansa, you can't write. Elena?
What is the question number, sir?
So why can't you? So number of days in a year.
Constant.
It's a constant because of we know it has how many? 300?
365.
Yes. But if it is a leap day, what's the issue?
366.
66, yes. If the leap day, it is a 300.
66. 66.
Okay.
66.
So now, the last one. The daily attendance of the children in a particular school.
Sir, can I
Hiyansa?
say?
Yeah, you can say. Tell me.
Variable.
Yeah, variable. Okay. So now we know well variable, what are the constants, what are the unknown terms, everything we learn well. So now we can come to the lesson number 19. Write the topic, lesson number 19. You can write the topic of the top, the lesson number 19. Yeah. Constructing algebraic expression and substitution. You can write the topic 19. Constructing algebraic expression and substitution. Did you heard something?
No, sir.
Okay. I thought, did you hear something? So because I went to take a glass of water, my son is playing there. So he shouted to me. So I thought you heard some that, right? Okay. So now constructing algebraic expression and then substituting. This is very easy. So that is why I'm telling this. You know well, algebraic symbols we know, and how can we make the algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions can be construct. Look at the board where we know mathematical operations. Mathematical operation is addition, subtractions, multiplication, and the divisions. Right? Algebraic symbols, mathematical operations, and numbers all together when we are writing, it is we call algebraic expressions. Right? So, if you can write something like right? X plus 3, okay? X minus 2, right? 3x plus 5 and
Excuse me, sir. What is meaning of 3x plus? What is meaning of 3x plus?
I can't hear.
What is the meaning of 3y plus 5?
Yeah, it's mean 3 multiplication y plus 5, right? So that's we are writing 3y plus 5. So kind of things we call algebraic expressions. Why? It has mathematical operation, it has mathematical numbers, it has some kind of algebraic symbols. So all together, symbols, operations, and the numbers, we are define those as what? We are define those as what? Algebraic expressions. Right. Okay. Now you can write down these examples for the algebraic expressions. May I erase?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we can look at this example. The number of students in a class is 50. Okay, you can write this question. The number of students in a class is 50. If number of boys are A, if number of boys are A, construct an algebraic expression for the number of girls in the class.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay.
I can also finish my work, sir.
I have finished my work, sir.
Right. So here we know, look at everyone in the board. Number of students is, we know, it is 50. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then the number of
I write the answer.
don't write, look at the board. Number of boys A. Right? The number of girls you can write 50 minus
50
A.
minus A.
This is the algebraic expressions for the number of girls. Your answer should be complete like this, not just only this. I'm not giving the mark for the only for the answer. You need to write the complete answer, Pute. Just write the complete answer. I need the complete answer, so you write the complete one.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay.
I have finished my work, sir.
Mhm.
I have also finished my work, sir.
Okay, right, good, Sute.
I also finished my work, sir.
All right. So you can write this section now again.
අයියෝ.
Sir, the same question.
Now another one. Second one, right?
That is example. Sir,
Example number 2, right? Just write this section.
we have to make that, no, sir?
What?
We have to make that question. We have to.
Yeah, you need to write this one. So I'll tell you the section now.
Oh.
Right. Elena has
Yes, sir.
this is a question. Elena has X amount of money. Hiroshi gave 100 rupees to Elena. Find the total money as Elena now.
Sir, do we need to find the algebraic expression?
Yes, the finding the total money means it is algebraic expression.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Yeah, you can construct. You can construct.
Finish, sir.
Sir, I have finished my work.
Hmm.
Also finish my work, sir.
Right. So, tell Fianza, did you finish?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the answer?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
X plus 100.
X plus 100. Is this the answer?
Yes, sir. We can write like this, no? 100 plus x.
100 plus X also correct, no problem. But it's better to take the algebraic symbols to the front put it. Right?
But sir, sometimes it's can't
Okay,
find.
sir.
Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It can be put, no problem. It doesn't matter. Right, no problem. So now on other questions, can you write this one?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
The price of an apple
The
is a price of an apple is A rupees. Netum has 100 rupees. He bought two apples. Write algebraic expressions. To find how much money will be remaining.
sir, එක චුට්ටක් කියන්න.
Huh?
ප්‍රශ්න චුට්ටක් ආයි කියන්න.
කොයි දක්වා ලියාගත්තද පුතේවා? තෙවුජා
Yes, sir.
කොච්චර ලියාගත්තද?
පොඩ්ඩක් පැටලලා ආයි කියන්න.
So මට කොතනින්ද කියන්න ඕනේ කියලා මට මතක නැහැ ස්ටෝරි එකයි මම අහන්නේ.
Write algebraic expression.
Write algebraic expressions to find how much money will be remaining.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have finished my work.
Okay, so have we finished this one?
Yes, sir.
So who got the correct answer? Tell me, sir. If there have two apples, how many apples?
2 apples.
Two apples. The one, it is A rupees. So if they have two apples, mean A 2 A's, right? 2 A's. So if you pay only 100 rupees to the Mudalali, he will reduce the amount of the price of two apples. And this is the amount you remaining. This is the amount you can take. Understand? 100 minus 2A is the correct answer. So if someone who written as a 2A minus 100, it is wrong. It's wrong. So this is the correct part.
100 minus 2A.
Yes. Who got this correct? Ishara, Hiroshi,
That was one is correct, sir.
Betu,
Sir.
well done, well done, well done. That's good, that's good. Yes.
100 minus A දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
A plus A. 100 minus A plus A. Not AA. It is wrong. A plus A is correct. Okay. So may I erase the word now?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So now we can come to the final subtopic of this lesson. We can come to the final subtopic is this lesson. It is what? It is what? It's we call substitution. It is substitution. What do you mean of the substitution? Like this. If someday I absent to the class, so I call to the Ishara, can you continue the class on behalf of me? Ishara said, yes, I can say. That means Ishara is a substitute for me. Okay? මං වෙනකොට ඉෂරව දාන්න පුළුවන්. අන්න ඒකට අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද සබ්ස්ටිටියුට් කරා කියලා. ආදේශ කරලා දෙන වෙනුවට එකක් පාවිච්චි කරා නේ. දැන් හිතන්නකෝ මේ ඉෂරට කියනවා මොනවාද ඉස්කෝලේට ගේන්න කියලා බර්ත්ඩේ එකට කේක්. ඉෂර මොකද කරන්නේ පාන් අරන් යනවා. යාළුවන්ට දෙන්න. right? එතකොට යාළුවෝ දන්නවා ඉෂරා he is the like that man no he gave the breads he asked the cake likewise right so it can be used for something it is we call substitute right substitute clearly enough right so do you bring a breads for the cake no.
No.
Ishara has done that part.
No.
One of his friends told me when he had a birthday, right? Friends asked, bring a cake. What has done? He has bring just only the breads. It's wrong. Remember that? Right? Okay. So now we can write a question here. Find the value of Palavins x is 5. To find the values of Palavin if x is 5. So look at the question here. Look at x plus 5. Look at. So we can write 5 on behalf of the 5. 5 plus 5 answer is 10. This is the way to get that part. Then look at 50 minus x. So 50 minus 5 answer is 45. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay, you can write those two and thereafter you can find the answers of this.
I have finished my work, sir.
Okay, check answers. You got finished the third one? I'll tell you that.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah. 3x time x that value 10. It means put a 15 plus 10 it is 25. Right? Clear? Okay, now come to the
Yes,
fourth
sir.
one. It also the same. 15 minus 5, it is 10. It is 10. And then this one, 100 minus 2 times 5. It means 100 minus 10. Answer is 90. You all got correct?
Yes,
You got
sir.
the all answers are correct? No
All
one
are
get
correct,
the
sir.
correct?
That was also correct, sir.
Okay. Okay. So just note it those and then I will give another one.
Sir, I have finished the work, sir.
Hari. So can we check the answers for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
20 minus 13. What was the answer?
7.
7. So this one, 85 minus 13. So tell me the answer, Hiroshi.
72.
72. Well done. So 13 plus 40, if it is 53.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
50.
100 minus 2, 2 into 13. It means 2 into 13 means 26.
126.
Answer is 126. You all done?
Yes,
How
sir.
was
Yes,
these two
sir.
lessons? How was these two lessons, Pute? Say someone. Is it easy or hard?
Easy.
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 But you know, Pute, a lot of students, lot of your friends, you might be telling this lesson is too hard to understand to them. But to you, this is very easy, ne? Unless
Yes,
ne?
sir.
That's
Yes,
that's
sir.
Yes,
the
sir.
thing. We didn't do any magic, right? We magic kare ne? We didn't show any magic. You are the one do this one. All of them make kare. But no, you can. පේනව නේද? අපි ගොඩක් මහන්සුනේ නෑ ලොකු දේවල් කරේ නෑ පොඩි වැඩ කරන් ටිකක් ලියවනකොට අපිට පුළුවන් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් පුතේ. It is what I want, right? It is what I want. We are not working hard, just we working smartly. That is enough. Okay, so you can do the homework of here. Those are most important, Pute. You must do the homework of this because of this in the paper. Definitely you will get a question from this lesson. Therefore, you must complete 19.3. I will check this 19.2, not the 3. 9.2. I will check this. So you must finish not only the 19.2, 19.1 as well. The all 2 exercise you must complete before the next Monday. Right? I have told you normally when you can do the homeworks by on before the class, that mean just when you are finished the class, right? If I know today is not possible, but tomorrow if you don't have classes, you can start the homework, right? So okay, I'm going to finish the class for today. You will can join next Monday. And I think some students they are waiting to see the red moon today as well. Okay, I'm going to finish the class for them, right? So see you again next Monday. Goodbye, everyone. Good day. Goodbye.
Good night, sir.
And
Bye,
share
sir.
this
Bye, sir.
message
Good night,
to
sir.
your
Thank you,
friends
sir.
about this class, and you can all join them as well, right? Okay, we can finish the class today. Bye. Good night. See you.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye, sir. Good
Stay
night,
safe,
sir.
sir. Good night.